TherapyAppointment now offers integrated credit card processing with International Bancard. To set this up, you can either click on Credit Card Processor Settings under Account Setup on the dashboard, or you can navigate to Practice Settings, Billing and Insurance, and then Configure under Payment Processing. On this screen, click on International Bancard, and then simply copy and paste in your private token, which will be provided by International Bancard. To begin processing payments, first check that the terminal is on and connected. You are now ready to take payments. For example, you could take a payment via a client's billing screen. Make sure that credit card is checked as the payment method, and then continue to the next screen. Confirm the amount and continue. On this screen, you will see a list of terminals. If you have more than one terminal at your practice, you will see the names of all connected terminals in this list. You have the option to save the card that you are about to use to process the payment. With this option checked, you will be able to process future payments with the card on file. You'll be able to use the terminal in two ways, either inserting or swiping a credit card, or you can enter the card manually, which will allow you to type in the credit card information. This is useful for taking payments over the phone. In this case, we'll be using a physical credit card. You will now see a spinning cog and a prompt to use the terminal. The terminal will now light up and the purchase amount will be displayed on the screen. After the payment has been approved on the terminal, TherapyAppointment will indicate that the payment was processed successfully and the amount will be recorded in the system.